Hello my students, I hope we are doing well. I am Madam Gracious Kanzieni from Educare Tanzania. Welcome for continuation of our topic, and today we are proceeding with the chemistry subject, and our class level is Form 3. And we are proceeding with our topic, which is acids, bases and salts. It is amazing that we have already covered the first subtopic, which is the concepts of acids. Now we are going to see the second subtopic, which is all about bases concept. Now today we're going to see the bases concept, and here we're going to start with the meaning or definition of base. Now, what is a base? Base is a chemical substance or compound when dissolved in water produce hydroxyl ions as only negative charged ions. Kwamba the base are compound or substance when it dissolved in water, they tend to produce the hydroxyl ions which are negatively charged. Or in other way, you can say that base is a chemical substance or compound of oxide, carbonates and hydroxide. Kwamba unaweza ukasema ni zile compound of oxide compound au the compound of hydroxide carbonate. Yani unaweza ukasema kwamba base ni zile compound za oxide of carbonate au the oxide of hydroxide, which neutralizes an acid to form salt and water. Ambazo his compounds zenyewe zina neutralize the compound of acid kutengeneza salt and water. Hii ilikuwa ni maana ya base. Sasa tuone some of reaction which show or which explore more about the concept or the meaning of base. We have seen that this is sodium hydroxide. This is base solution. It dissociates in water or dissolve in water to form the sodium ions, which is positive charge ions, and the hydroxyl ions. And this is the main or the main product or the main concepts we are dealing when we talk about base. We are talking about the formation of hydroxyl ions, which is negative charge ion, and the positive ions are associated with the compound. Lakini hapa tunaangalia key the product of hydroxyl ion. Another is ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is dissociated to form the ammonium solution, ammonium ions and the hydroxyl ions. This is we call base. All compounds or substance when it dissolved in water, it tends to form the negative charge of hydroxyl ion and the other positive charge of associated compound. Note that the soluble bases are called alkyls. Kwamba zile soluble bases, it means kuna soluble na insoluble bases. Sasa zile soluble bases zote tunaziita alkyls kwa maana nyingine. So don't get confused. When you meet with the alkyls, direct in your mind, you can remind that, or you can remember that it is the same to soluble base. Okay, let us see the sources or the nature of the base. It's the natural sources of the base. Some bases are found in substances that we encounter in our environment. Kwamba bases sometimes tunakutana nazo kwenye mazingira, yani zinapatikana au tunazi experience katika mazingira yetu ya kila siku. Kwa mfano, banana peels, yale majani yale banana yale ya mindizi migomba, peels za banana zile za ndizi. Vile vile baking powder, toothpaste, dawa ya mswaki, wood ash, majivu. Ndio maana unakuta sometimes mtu akipaswa na kiungulia, unasikia anakuambia help me wood ash. umsaidie majivu. Ina maana ile majivu yakilamba akila yanasaidia kuneutralize ile acid. Maana kiungulia kinasababishwa na ile acid, excess of acid ambayo inapelekea kile kiungulia kinatokea. Unahisi kile kiungulia. Kwa hiyo mtu anakuambia nisaidie majivu, analamba, the aim is to neutralize that acids. Ina maana yenyewe hii base inasaidia sasa kwamba hii wood ash ita act as a base ambayo itasaidia kuneutralize. Kama tulivyoona kwamba kwa namna nyingine base unaweza ukasema kwamba ni zile compound ambazo zina oxide of carbonate au hydroxide, lakini zenyewe zina neutralize the acid compound or solution whatever, lakini zenyewe zinafanya zina neutralize, na zikineutralize pale tunakwenda kupata products ya salt and water, but the aim is to neutralize. So also is another source is that the base also found in many bleaches, soap and cleaning agents. The all agents, cleaning agents tunatumia kufanyia usafi, sabuni, mostly are base in nature, kwa sababu tuliona kwamba the acid ni corrosive in nature. We can't apply in our skin, we can't apply daily, katika, yani hatuwezi kuitumia tu, wakati yenyewe hata kwenye matumizi yake tu inahitaji careful handling, yani ile jinsi ya kuitumia, wakati unaitumia ile acid unatakiwa handle careful, uwe makini, kwa sababu yenyewe ni kerosene, it can damage the metals, some of substance, various materials, even skin. So most of the substances which are used or agents which are used in cleaning at home are made of base. And they also can see that toothpaste, dawa za mswaki tunazotumia are base in nature. We can't use the acid, my dear students. Okay, consider the table below which show the sources of common natural bases, kwamba zile natural bases ambazo tunaziona. The common natural base we have is ammonia, and its source is gills of fish. Kwenye zile gills za samaki zile, we have the ammonia. They call it yale manini, zile gills za samaki anazotumia kwenye kupumua. Those are made of the base which is ammonia, and it's natural. Another is methylamine. This is from the decaying fish, kwamba samaki sasa akishakufa, akishaoza, we are going to have this base of methylamine. Another is ethylamine. This is from decaying fish. Another is pyridine. This is from coal tar, coal. Another is putrescines. This is from decaying meat, nyama zilizooza, maozo ya nyama. Another is cadaverine base. This is natural base where its source is from decaying flesh. The flesh, decaying flesh ambazo zimeshakuwa decayed, zinapelekea hii natural base which is cadaverines. Okay, kama kuna something which is natural, kwa maana hiyo ni kwamba kuna something which can be synthesized au inaweza kutengenezwa. Sasa tuone tukaone zile bases which are found in our laboratory which are not natural in occurrence. The bases found in the laboratory include the following. There is ammonium solution, there is metal oxide, and there is metal hydroxide. These are found in laboratory. And let's just see about the classification of base. Base is classified into two parts. The first part is base oxide and the second is base hydroxide. Kwamba the base imegawanyika katika makundi mawili. Kuna base ambazo ni oxide na kuna base ambazo ni nini? Ni hydroxide. Sasa tutakuja kuona huko mbele what are the base oxides, what are the base hydroxides. Tutaona na mifano yake. Now, by starting with base oxide, Base oxide is the base of oxide compounds, kwamba tukisema base oxide ni zile compounds zote ambazo ziko made of oxide compound. Yani zile substance zote au compounds zote ambazo zina oxides are called base oxide. Mfano mzuri ni calcium oxide. So those compounds which are made of oxide, we call it base oxide. Tunaelewana hapo? Another is classification. Okay, let's just see the classification of base oxide, kwamba base oxide yenyewe imegawanyika, iko classified na makundi. Kuna soluble oxides na insoluble oxide, kwamba tuna classification of base ambayo ni oxide base na hydroxide base. Lakini tukija kwenye oxide base tunaona ni zile compound ambazo ziko made of oxide compounds, yani zenyewe zina oxide. Tumeona calcium oxide. Lakini tukija kwenye hii base oxide yenyewe imegawanyika katika makundi yake. Kuna makundi ambayo ni soluble base oxide and insoluble base oxide. Na kwa wakati mwingine soluble oxides zinaitwa alkalis. Don't get confused. Utakutana nazo sana kwenye maswali, kwenye continuation of our topic tutakutana na concept za alkalis. Usije ukaanza kusema what is alkalis? No. Alkalis are those soluble oxides simply. Another is insoluble oxides. Insoluble oxide, these are basic oxide. So when you meet with the idea or the concept talking about the basic oxide, direct in your mind unajua kwamba ni nini? Ni insoluble basic oxide or insoluble base oxides. Okay, let us see the base hydroxide. Now, kwa sababu tuliona kwamba